Hello students, I hope you all are in pink of health and doing study work at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, and this is your subject teacher of Social Studies. And in today's video we are going to read chapter 4 of your Social Studies book, Window on the World. Okay students, so what is our chapter name? Our chapter name is The Houses We Live In. The Houses We Live In. Chapter 4, The Houses We Live In. Okay students. So in our previous video we had already discussed this chapter, and in today's video we will read the remaining chapter. Okay students. So firstly, revise once that what we had learned in our previous video. Okay, so in our previous videos we had learned about the importance of houses and the types of houses, and we had also learned that the birds, the animals have also their houses, and how they build their own houses. So these are the things we had learned in our previous video, and we had also learned that how a house protect us from the climate change, from the environment, from the danger, etc. Okay students, so these are the things we had learned in our previous video, and in today's video let's revise once all the things what we had learned in our previous videos. Okay students, so firstly we will start from here, types of houses. Okay, so in the types of houses, the first type of house which we had learned in our previous video was stilt house. Okay, stilt houses. So what is stilt houses students? Can you tell me what are the stilt houses? Stilt houses are a kind of houses that are built on the wooden poles. Okay, so these wooden poles are called stilts. As you can see in this picture, these are the wooden poles to support their houses. They made these kinds of houses are made on built on wooden poles to support their houses, because these houses are built on the top of the wooden poles. The ground is covered with the water, so that is why these kinds of houses are made on the top of wooden poles, and these wooden poles are called stilts. Okay, so these kinds of houses are mostly made in such areas, such places where it rains a lot, so prefer people prefer to build these kinds of houses. And the next type of houses is mud houses. Okay, so the next kind of second kind of house was mud house that we had learned in our previous video. So students, in all over the world there are some places where the climate is very hot and the water level are very low of that place. So that is why the people of such places prefer to build mud houses with thick walls and no windows or very small windows. Mostly they make no windows in their houses or very small windows. They build such kinds of houses because so that the heat keep out from their houses. Okay, and mud also keep cools their houses, so that is why they build mud houses with the very thick walls in the desert area. Okay students, so tell me one desert area, desert place name in our India. Can you tell me students? I have told you in my previous video a, one place name which is in desert area. Do you remember? Yes, it is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a desert area, so the people of that places built mud houses. Okay, so the next type of house was sloping roof. Okay, so house with sloping roof. So why people build houses with sloping roof? So where it rains a lot or snow falls a lot, so people build houses with sloping roof so that the the water of rain drains and the snowfall slip off from their houses. Okay, so that is why people prefer to build such kinds of houses where it rains a lot or where it snowfall. Okay, it snowfall a lot. Okay, so the next one is next kind of house is that clear, students? So next one is, in cities most people live in flats. So as you can see in this picture, students, this is a multi-story building. In cities, people most of people live in such multi-story buildings. So flats are a part of a building where houses are built on a top of another. Since these flats are built one on a top of other, so it helps to save the space. So do you think these kinds of houses help to save the space? Yeah, definitely these kinds of houses helps to save the space, which can which can be used as for other things such as gardens or parks. Okay, so look at the picture in your book, students. Look at this box which is given in your book. So how do you think multi-story building help in saving space? So do you think the multi-story building, such kinds of buildings, look at this picture, helps to save the space? Yeah, yes, definitely these kinds of buildings helps to save the space because these flats are built on one of top of another. Okay, so one top of another these buildings are built, so this saves a lot of space. Okay, which can be used for other things. So I hope you understood. And next one is a bungalow. You can see in this picture, this is a bungalow. And a bungalow is a one level story building. It's a single story building, and it has no stairs, and it may have gardens, veranda, lawn, etc. But it is a single level building. It don't have the multi story. Okay, so these are the types of houses, okay, which we had learned in our previous videos. Okay, so next one is things used to build houses. Okay, so next heading, come to the next paragraph of page number 20. Things used to build houses. Okay, what finger here, students? Things used to build houses. So here we will learn that what kind of things we used to build our houses. Okay, what kind of things we used to build the different kinds of houses. So firstly, one thing that I want to clear here, that the difference between the pakka house and the kacha house. Okay, so here you may have confusion. So firstly, So what kind of houses we call the pakka house? Do you know, students, what kind of houses is called pakka house? So pakka house are very strong house. They are made up of wood, bricks, cement, iron, iron rod and the steel. Okay. So as you can see in this picture, these are the flats, bungalow. So these are the pakka houses. These are the examples of pakka houses. Okay, because these kinds of houses are made up with the steel, woods, bricks, cements and the iron rod. Okay, so these kinds of houses are called pakka houses, which are made with bricks, cement, etc. Okay, and the now next one is kacha house. So what kind of houses we call the kacha houses, students? Do you know? What kind of houses do you call kacha house? So kacha house are temporary house, you may say. Kacha houses are made up with the wood, mud, straw and dry leaves, as you can see in this picture. As you can see in this picture, this is a kacha house, and this mud house is also a kacha house. Okay, so these are the examples of kacha house. And which one is the more strong houses, kacha house or pakka house? So the pakka house is the stronger than the kacha house, because these kinds of houses are also called the permanent houses. Okay, so here I think your doubt is clear now, and now you know the difference between kacha and pakka house. So go further. Things used to build houses. So here we will see the things we used to build our houses. Okay, so houses. So put finger firstly here on the first line of the second paragraph. Houses are usually made with things that are available nearby. Okay, so the students, we made our houses with the things that are easily available in our nearby or our or our neighborhood. Okay, so as you can see in these pictures, what is this? This is a igloo. Okay, so people who live in very cold places, they are known as Eskimos. Okay, so the people who live in very cold places are called Eskimos, and they build their houses out of ice. These houses are known as the igloo. Okay, so this is an igloo. Okay, so these kinds of houses are built in very cold places. Okay, so because the house is the thing that are easily available there, so that's why the people build their houses out of ice. Okay, so let's start reading again. Mountains and forests have many trees, so houses built near them are usually made of wood or bamboo. Okay, so on the mountains there are mostly forest area, and there are bamboos trees. There are most of bamboos and trees, so the people of that places who lived on the mountains, they prefer to build their houses out of woods and the bamboos, because these stuffs are easily available there. These are easily available there nearby. Okay, so that is why the people used these things to build their houses. Is that clear, students? As you can see in this picture, a house made of bamboo. Okay, so why people build their houses with out of the bamboos? Because bamboos are easily available on the mountains, so the people who lived on the forests on the or in the forest or on the mountains, so they prefer to build their houses with the wood or the bamboo, because these things are easily available there. And the people who live in a very cold places, they build their houses out of ices, because ice are easily available there nearby. Okay, so I hope you understood very well, and keep in mind what all you have learned today. So bye bye, take care of yourself.